It is an honor to be speaking at the Utah Council for Land Surveyors, and I thought it only appropriate to bring this video to you from the tundra of north central Indiana, where it is very cold today. My name is Vickie Maris, and I am so glad to have you here watching the video and just looking forward to the opportunity that we'll have to say hello in person one of these days soon. And in the meanwhile, connect online whenever we can. I am really looking forward to this event on Friday. The opportunity has come about because of the virtual nature of our world right now. This particular conference would not normally be hiring speakers who are so far out of state, but because they are bringing in several conference speakers virtually, as well as having several who are speaking from the event location in Utah, I have opportunity to speak on the leadership subjects that I teach on, and it's an honor to be teamed up this time around with Dr. Pete DeLisle. Pete is teaching a session the same day. We're both teaching on Friday in breakout sessions at this conference. My friends and colleagues who have been with Pete in the classroom, I know that you know the people who are attending this conference in Utah or virtually from wherever they might be calling in from are really going to be in for a treat. It's been fun to coordinate with Pete and to see how we can dovetail our two topics together. I'm really looking forward to it. If you've been listening to my podcast, Agile Digital Business, then you might remember Pete DeLisle as a guest on the show. He's been my guest for 2 episodes of the podcast in 2020. He'll be using some of that content as he is teaching on Friday, but he'll have opportunity to dig into it even further. I'm excited to say that in my communications with Pete, I have learned that he is going to be teaching a full 3-day program. He's going to run it virtually in the month of April, and then later in the fall, he's got an opportunity to offer it as an on-ground program too. So if you want any more information about that, I would be happy to connect you with Pete. Just please put a comment below the video, in whichever social media channel that you are watching this, and I would be happy to get you connected. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I did not bring a llama with me on this llama walk and talk because they are just not really interested in walking in this deep snow or in being out right now in this really cold weather. I could not talk them into it. My name is Vickie Maris. My website is VickieMaris.com, and on most social media channels you can find me at Vickie Maris. In Facebook it is at VJ Maris. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.